Today is a special day for me. Today we're going to do a special unboxing video of two. I just got these today, but at the same time, I am very, very effing happy. We won the championship. This is why you see me rocking out. So excited, but let's get started. So I got two gaming mouses over here. These are the gaming mouse. Let's rephrase that. Okay, so these are the glorious gaming mouse model O. So of course, hold up, I don't want to. So this one I got the matte black, the glossy white as well. So again, the price difference is the matte versions, the white and black, go for hold up, $49.99, and the glossy one goes for $60. And also the weight difference is 1 gram difference. The matte versions are 67 grams. The glossy ones are 68 grams. And of course, unfortunately, I do want to give ahead of time. I do apologize. I did not did the first unboxing video of the white gloss, and this one belongs to my brother. The one I really went with was the matte black. So let's get started right here. Let's get comfortable and let's do this unboxing. Let's get started. Okay, so let's continue. First thing first, I do want to open up the matte black one because unfortunately the box came a little bit damaged, which I'm a little bit worried. Hopefully the mouse did not came a little bit damaged. So I'm praying to God. Let's first let's open this thing up. Ooh. Sorry about that. Still got time. Okay, so let me adjust the camera the best way. There we go, better. Wow. So this is the mouse itself. And of course, I will give you guys a heads up, just to let you guys know, right? Before you install the drivers for this product, make sure update the firmware first before you install the drivers. So let's open this thing up. Let's get this out of the way. Ooh, okay. Let's see what I got inside over here. Glorious sticker. Ooh, well, there's a lot of stuff in the way as well. So of course, quick startup guide about the mouse. Actually gives you the information about the mouse, what to do. And let's continue. Of course, another nice sticker. And of course, more products from them as well, which we are going to do more of the unboxing of them as well. So let me get this out of the way. And really, let's focus on this gaming mouse right here. So I want to pull this out very slowly. Ooh, so let me see. I'm just trying to do the if I hear any sounds. Nope. Okay, wow, good. It's been solid. Okay, this one. Okay, yep. Okay, no. Whew, yes. It's not damaged. Awesome. So let me plug this in. Do is I'm gonna plug this in, and all right, let me pause this for a second and let me plug it in. Okay, we're gonna unbox the glossy one next. This is the white version as well. and they also have the black version of the glossy as well. So let's open up this bad boy right here. Just want to get this out of the way. And let's open up the glossy one. We're not going to go really into it that much because pretty much the same thing that came with the matte bag. It comes with the stickers, it comes with the quick user guide and all that stuff. And also I forgot to mention this at the earlier of the video as well to keep you guys informed. Let me make sure everything's good. Yes. All of these products on the glorious gaming mouse Model O do offer two-year warranty from them, which is awesome. And literally my hands can't. All right, let's open up the glossy one. So this one, it is supposed to be heavier, but honestly, what can you really tell the difference between a 67 gram and a 68 gram gaming mouse? I think they're not. So pretty much the difference is, as you see, let's take out the black one. It's all matte all over the mouse. The glossy one, it's all glossy around this mouse surface. So pretty much you can really go nuts of what grip you want to go with. If you want to use the glossy one, you can, and you can get a white and black, or you can go with the matte one. Kind of like the finish of this, but my concern, as always, that I want to bring this up is that where's the durability of these mouses, and hopefully they will last long. And of course, you already know the deal already in this channel already. We are going to do field testing of these two products. I already have two of them already. Gonna upload soon, but not now for this one. But this one's going back to my butt because I really want to dig in the black one. I'm really excited. So again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching my videos. As always, comment, subscribe. Please be safe. Enjoy a wonderful weekend. I know I am, as I'm gonna have a big smile. Take care, ladies and gentlemen, and good night.